Imagine your books are scattered around the room. Now suppose you urgently need your DSA book. You'll have to search everywhere, and it will take some time. So what's the obvious solution? Keep all the books together on a shelf. Now every book has a fixed place. Finding and managing them becomes much easier. Computers face a similar problem. Instead of books, they need to store data. Rather than keeping data scattered, computers often keep related data together in contiguous memory locations. This organized collection is called an array. Just like books have index, which help you to quickly find specific topic in the book. An array uses index, which starts with 0 for the first element, 1 for the second, and so on, to directly access the element present at a particular index.